tips about use of the steam pipe. We want to use the steam pipe for frothing milk. So we have our pincher with the milk. The temperature is okay. So we can turn the knob to brew steam and frothing the milk. We open, but we find that the steam is very weak, not a big amount. Say, why? What's happened? And then suddenly we find that the tank don't have water. We forget. So what to do? First, stop by rotate again the knob. The second, stop the button, release the button about steam. Then we need to refill the tank, and then after that brew some water to refill the boiler. So first we refill our empty water tank with water. Already put some clean water in the tank. Let's fix again the machine. Then we push the button about the coffee, open the pipe, and then we let the temperature drop down and also start to refill the water tank. When finish the steam, we close, and then we put the mug down, and we continue to brew water to be sure that the boiler is again full. When the water brew correctly, we stop also the brew of the water. The machine now again is ready. The tank has water, the boiler has water, we can use again for the normal function.